marriage. He then divorced within 3 years and went to his country and got married. Can he petition for his new wife because he got married before the 5 years?
No, not until 5 years, until he got, and from the time he got his green card until he becomes a citizen, whichever is first.
I got a sponsor in 2012. How long will it take for me to get legally married? I got sponsored by my parents and they're citizens.
When did they file for him?
2012.
About and they got legally married now.
Yes.
There's going to be about another 5 to 7 years.
Brad, is there anything new about DACA? A friend of mine filed since April 3rd and did their fingerprints in May, but has yet to hear anything back.
Yeah, Donald Trump in about an hour is going to have one of his henchmen, I believe it's Jeff Sessions, come out and say that they're going to accept DACA applications for the next 6 months only. So if you are due to renew your DACA in the next 6 months, they will accept them and process them and give you a 2-year work permit. After that, they are now no longer, as of this moment, going to accept DACA applications. They are also, I believe, going to say that people who have DACA, they are going to allow their work permits to run out, but not renew them. So people in DACA will be in legal status up until the time that their work permit expires. And then they're illegal, and then the government will look to deport children who came here, young adults who came here who know no other country than the United States of America.
Let me ask you something. At 11:01, when everyone becomes illegal,
they're not going to become illegal at 11:01. They're going to give them 6 months to sort it out.
Okay.
And then sort it out means that either renew it for another 2 years, figure out another way, or after 6 months, we are not going to accept renewals anymore. So it will slowly, it's going to, over the next 2 years, 1 million people are going to become illegal.
It's
And
terrible.
Congress has the ability to fix it.
You think
Everybody
they
says
have to fix it?
Everybody says it's terrible. You know what? I don't believe anything anymore. Okay, you know, no one believed Kim Jong-un wants to go to war. I think he wants to go to war.
I believe that.
Okay, nobody believed Donald Trump was going to become president. He's going to become everything that you would believe.
That's not gonna happen.
That is not going to happen. Happens.
Yeah.
On the train this morning, one of the, I forget what newspaper it was, but the headline was begging for war.
Yeah, well, that's what Nikki Haley said at the United Nations yesterday, who is the United States UN representative.
That's insane.
Insane in the membrane.
Insane.
Insane in the membrane.
But true.
And then, so now the issue becomes, and we don't have to get into, you know, but the real moral dilemma is whose life is more important. Is it the life of somebody living in the United States of America, that if Kim Jong-un were to be able to put a nuclear bomb on a missile and can shoot it from North Korea, would that life be more valuable? I guess this is the ethical dilemma that the president has. And then say, okay, we're now going to put Americans at risk of dying in a nuclear catastrophe. Or do we say we're going to have basically a preemptive war? And I don't know if there's no right answer. I'm just giving out, you know, we have a preemptive war. Millions of Koreans will die. Some Americans will die in the military, but it will be a Korean tragedy brought on by Korean leaders. Don't know.
It's a very sad state of affairs right now with everything that's going on.
Yeah. I don't have the answer.
And we have a dude in the White House that is just not making the right decisions.
Well, you know what? I just saw a video. He didn't make the right decision when he started the USFL. He didn't make the right decision on 6 casinos in New Jersey. He didn't make the right decision when he started his airplane, his airline, his university. And by the way, if his university was open, maybe he would want DACA recipients because they would be paying to go to his university. But maybe now it's not as viable or lucrative for him. So he has made a lot of poor decisions in his lifetime. I even read an article, I don't know if this is true or not, that if he took the same money that his father started him off with when he started off in real estate and just left it in mutual funds in the stock market, he would be worth more money
than all the investments.
Than all the investments that he has made back and forth and made money and lost money.
That's insane.
That's pretty interesting,
It
actually.
was just like $1 million, right?
Yeah.
Apparently it was more than that because
lied.
yeah. At least according to this video, I think it was like 10 million or something like that. Now maybe the video was fake news. I have no idea. Maybe he did start with $1 million. I have no idea.
Well, that's
I'm
what
just
he said, like during his campaign.
yeah.
He
The
got a
video had
small
him.
loan.
The video had him at 10 million.
The jury's out on that.
Yeah, on what he started with.
Yeah, he did famously say that it was a small loan from his father.
Yeah. So
Small, my asphalt. Small. My dad loaned me only $10 million. If it was one, it's a lot.
yes.
If
Do
it
we
was
address-
$500,000, it's a lot.
Yeah. Do we address the trade rumors that's happening?
What is the trade rumors
Where
that's
he's
happening?
gonna cut off trade with China.
He's going to cut off trade with China. He can't
because
do
they
that.
do business with North
I know
Korea.
the sanctions have gone up with.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
if he does
North
that,
Korea.
then everybody's Apple phone will become very valuable because that's where Apple makes everything.
We're gonna stop at the 7.
Yes, there will be no iPhone 8.
There'll be no 8.
There will be
Sorry.
no 8. We'll be like in North Korea, with like the black market iPhone.
Yeah, it's insane
Yeah.
because it's gonna send us into a global recession if that happens.
Yeah, well,
we
what-
do way
what-
too much business with China, Taiwan, people like
Well,
that.
that's also a problem. Okay, but if we have a war and there's 1 million refugees go from North Korea to China,
yeah.
we'll also stop trade.
Yeah.
So it is a no-win situation. Because think about it, you go to war, North Korean, they're going to lose, obviously. Okay, no matter how inept you may or may not think, you may think he's the smartest guy in the world, you may think he's the dumbest guy in the world. He may be inept, he may be smart. Who knows? Okay, but no matter how inept or smart, United States is going to beat up North Korea.
I don't think he
All right,
he thinks
so
that he's
now-
going to win.
right, so
he just knows that he's going to disrupt and kill a lot of people.
So now-
that's how I think that dude is thinking.
I don't think he's rational.
We know it's not rational.
Right. So,
Okay.
so I believe, once the war starts, you're going to have about 1 million, 10 million. Who knows how many North Koreans? I have no idea. I'm not an expert on North Korea, but I just know there's going to be a lot of refugees, just like there's a lot of refugees in Syria.
A big part
And
of
they're
it-
all, just think about it, just
Yeah.
Syria on a much bigger
Syria
plane.
was, like,
And
very
now,
volatile,
right,
though.
and now they're all, where are they all going to walk into? They're all going to walk into China.
Do you think that would happen, though? Like, realistically, do you
I have
think
no,
it would
what do
ever
I
go
know?
there?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I have no idea. So they'll all walk into China, and you don't think that's going to disrupt trade? We're going to have the iPhone 7 for some time if that happens.
Quite some time.
Quite some time. All right, let's go to Frank. Frank,
Frank, how you doing?
Hey, Brad.
What's-
All right.
what's going on?
I have a quick question. I've heard from my parents. They were here about last year, and on the forms, they came here on a B1 visa last year. So on the form, they were asked if they were married, so they said yes. But back home, they have these traditional marriages, which is still valid. So this year they went back and then they got married, and had the legal, they had the marriage legalized,
Right.
with the marriage set. So would it be a problem when they go for the interviews?
Yes, because there was a misrepresentation, whether it was a knowing misrepresentation, that's a different story. But there was certainly a misrepresentation. There's a record on file with the government that they were married when it sounds like it was more of a traditional religious marriage, but not a civilly recognized marriage by the government. And they went in and said they were married. That could be considered a misrepresentation depending on what was in the mind of the person when they said it. They will definitely need the help of a lawyer. Hold on one
Because I
second.
like
Oh,
to-
they need the help of a lawyer. They said they were married when they were not. Hold on.
Hang tough.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I
book
mean,
an
you could,
appointment.
you could explain it any way you want, but that's
Still going to need the help of an
still
attorney.
need the help of a lawyer,
No, you're going to need the help of Spar Bernstein.
of a good lawyer.
Yeah.
Talking to a good lawyer.
Exactly. 1-800-529-54.
That's what I think.
That's what I know.
Some people don't think that.
I don't think it. I know it.
You know it.
Yeah.
That's why the people who don't think it know it.
Exactly.
There's only two groups of people. They either think I'm good or they know it.
Yeah,
One or
that's
the
it.
other.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800-LawLink is the number for the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. Also got to remind you, it's not just immigration. There's criminal defense. There's personal injury. There's family law. There's tax law. All right? You know, Brad, I'm quite sure can attest to the fact that there was a settlement for $4.5 million recently in a personal injury case.
I can attest to that. It was a $4.5 million package, and this woman is a woman who came from Jamaica. She was newly arrived in the United States with a green card. She was working. She was walking across the street in Brooklyn. She got hit by a vehicle in the crosswalk. She was severely injured, and in approximately 3 years, we obtained for her a package worth over $4.5 million. Squeeze.
$4.5 million.
Plus.
Wow.
Yeah. Now, obviously, prior successful results do not guarantee a similar outcome, but that just goes to show you the type of work we do here at Spar and Bernstein. We're not just immigration lawyers. We're personal injury lawyers, really good ones. We're not just immigration lawyers and personal injury lawyers. We're also really good criminal defense attorneys, really good divorce attorneys.
Very good.
In my opinion.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. So whatever your legal issues are, I think you should actually just pick up the phone and call Spar and Bernstein and see what it is that they can do for you. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to the phone lines.
Tracy.
Hey, Tracy.
Yes, hi, good morning.
How are you?
Good morning, Tracy.
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
My question is, I've been here since 1994, and haven't obtained any green card or whatever. I was married to a soldier, but that didn't work out. And so now I'm a little worried about what's going to happen in the future. So
I'm worried. I'm worried also, Tracy. I'm worried for a lot of people. I'm very concerned about the future of America. I'm very concerned about the future of America as it relates to my clients, which are people who are first and second generation minorities in the United States of America. I am concerned across the board. I'm also concerned for you personally, and I'm concerned for each person who calls. I don't have an answer for you to say, this is what it is, Tracy. Sleep well. Don't be anxious.
Right.
I don't have that answer for you. What I can tell you is and I'm being as sincere as I can, is I'm a really smart, good lawyer. Come see me, and let's see what we can do to put you in a better position.
I'm in Florida.
So then we have a telephone consultation.
Can do it all over the phone, believe me. All right?
All right. Hold on one second.
Got to remind folks that, of course, immigration is federal, so Brad Bernstein can pretty much handle it from just about anywhere in the world.
That is correct.
As long as it has to do with U.S. immigration.
That is correct.
1-800-529-5465. Speak about federal. Spar and Bernstein is big on federal cases where criminal defense is concerned.
Correct.
Huge. Yeah, huge.
We can't even make fun of this guy right now. I'm just so angry. I can't, you know what? I'm not even going to say that word. Every time I hear that word, I just get annoyed now.
DT?
I don't want to even hear that DT guy. It's annoying.
1-800-529-5465. And also, we got to remind folks out there. We're talking about a lot of serious things, but another thing that is extremely serious is that if your credit score is below 700, you are in the doo-doo.
That is true.
You are in the doo-doo.
That is true.
So all we're simply saying is, right now, pick up the phone and call them at 1-800-872-7177.
And by the way, if there will be a, I'm not being, what's it called? Chicken Little?
Oh, okay.
Chicken Little?
Chicken Little.
Like the sky's falling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But the sky's falling, folks.
Yes, it is.
Okay. And you call me Chicken Little if you want, but the sky is falling, even with credit.
Yep.
Okay. We go to a war.
Forget it.
With North Korea.
Oh, God.
If your credit's below 700, best of luck doing any business. Banks are going to tighten their money.
Yep. They're going to tighten guidelines.
Faster than Usain Bolt could run the 100-yard dash.
Yep.
Okay? It will be faster than Squeeze can cash his paycheck at the end of the week. It will be faster
than the Ferrari.
Okay? That's a big paycheck you get.
People just don't. Nobody listens
This
to
is
Squeeze.
not a good time. It's not a good time for minorities.
Nope.
It's not a good time unless you're an old white Christian man. Otherwise, it's really not a good time for you. Okay? And it's certainly not a good time if you have bad credit, especially if the winds of war are going to happen. You need good credit. Get it done now. And if you call USA Credit Repair, they give you a 90-day money-back guarantee that if within 90 days I'm sorry, I'm not saying the right words. You do not have a better credit score than when you started, they will give you back your money. And the telephone number for USA Credit Repair, Squeeze is going to give it to you right now.
Right now.
I don't know which number we are using today, so I'm going to let Squeeze do it.
I'll use the toll-free number where it's free for them to call.
Sure.
So
Why don't you do that?
1-800-USA-7177. That's 1-800-872-7177. If someone can share that on the page, we really would appreciate it. 1-800-872-7177. Call that number now and get your credit fixed real fast. 1-800-872-7177. But let's get back to some immigration questions, Brad.
All right, let's go to Sandra. Sandra.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I have 2 questions.
Yeah.
I am a citizen. I have 2 children here that it's not, they need somebody to file for them. Can I file for them? They're here illegally.
You have 2 children.
Yes.
And they are your children or someone else's children?
My children, but they are over 21.
Yes, file for them, even if they're here illegally. File for them.
Another
Put the
question.
papers in now.
I have another question.
Yes.
Can I come and see you?
Yes, of course you can. My door's...
One more question.
Yes.
I have something for you to do for me.
What?
My son
Yes.
I filed for him through my marriage.
Yes.
When he gets here, he gets been getting a little problem with little weed. They take him to the court. He went to Jamaica. When he was coming back, they take away his tenure in Atlanta, but they send it back to him. I want him to do his citizenship, but I need help.
You need help because I don't even know if we should be doing his citizenship till we review his criminal records. So hold on 1 second, all right?
Hang tough.
Hang tough, but my doors are open for you. Hold on.
1-800-529-5465 with 11 minutes before we wrap up the show. Once again, remember that you can also place your questions on social media. All right, that's David Squeeze Annakie's Facebook page, Brad Bernstein's Facebook page, Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein's Facebook page. Don't know, is YouTube up?
No.
Okay.
Nothing's up.
Not on YouTube. It's up?
YouTube is up.
YouTube is up. You can
No, it
also-
says live stream is off air.
What?
YouTube is not up.
You have Facebook, all right?
Oh, it is watching.
and-
Oh, YouTube is up.
and
Oh,
we're asking
I'm sorry about
everybody,
that.
do me a favor,
Correct.
share. Everybody, you got to share, all right? So share away.
Yes.
Share with
Yes,
every
and
person.
NJH says, are we still doing social media questions? The answer is yes.
The answer is yes. Are you ready to do a social media link?
Yes. Good morning, Brad and Squeeze. Cannot see your face, Squeeze. The laptop's hiding you.
No, it's not.
It is hiding you, Squeeze.
What laptop is hiding me?
The laptop on YouTube.
Oh.
Okay,
On
so you need to
YouTube.
move the YouTube camera.
Yeah, 'cause I can't
Squeeze
move.
can't move the... All right.
Is that better?
Yes.
Okay.
You're speaking out of it.
All right, so there we go.
All right. Oh, wow. That is fabulous now. Wow, what a difference, Dan. That's I mean, you're brilliant, camera operator.
Brilliant. It took a lot to
Yes,
move that.
right. I'm glad. We're recognizing the issues as during the live broadcast.
No, they can't do
Okay.
that.
No, because
Brad
I'm
out.
on Facebook. Yeah,
Brad
Althea.
out now.
Ay, ay, ay.
We're recognizing.
Althea, you gotta listen to your.
Now you cut Brad out.
Althea, you have to listen to the phone, not the radio.
Hello.
Hi, Althea.
Hey.
Hey, good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. Okay, so I have 2 quick questions.
Go ahead.
Are you guys aware with what's going on with the SIG applications for immigration?
Yes, I'm aware.
Okay, so my application went in February, and it's now September, and I haven't heard anything from them.
Which application?
My SIG application.
So
for immigration.
you're under 21, and you were somebody was granted legal guardianship of you, and you got a special ruling from a family court judge already.
Yes,
Okay, and where do you live?
I live in Queens.
You live in Queens. I don't have.
It was done in Brooklyn.
Okay, so I don't know why, off the top of my head, you're taking so long. Adjustments are taking approximately 9 months.
Fell off the line.
If you filed in February, it's now September. My guess is that you would probably hear by October, would be my guess. I assume you got a receipt notice. I assume you got your work permit already.
No.
You didn't get, okay, well then you have an issue and then you should come see me. So hold on 1 second, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the number is 1-800-529-5465. Do remember that we will be here at 12 noon.
Yes, and we will have all our ducks
In a row.
in a row.
Yeah.
Are
All right.
you charging the cameras now?
The one that's not being used, yes.
The one that's not being used.
Kyle, you got more questions?
Plenty. My friend's mother has been a citizen over 40 years. She was 6 at the time. What kind of help can she get?
Your friend's mother was a citizen for over 60
I'm
years?
guessing, no, 40, but I'm guessing the friend is the illegal or the undocumented one.
The mother needs to file for the friend, for the daughter. Why is this not happening?
Maybe
For
they didn't.
40 years.
They haven't been listening to the Brad
40
Bernstein show.
years, Squeeze.
40
years. I'm a U.S. citizen for the last 4. What can you do to help my... Where have you been for the last 40 years? Filed? What's next?
My friend's mother has been I'm sorry. My daughter's a 3-year-old. Her father just recently got his citizenship in the U.S. Does he have to file for her, or can he take her to the embassy here in Jamaica for a visa?
If the child was already born when the parent became a citizen, they have to file an I-130.
If you have your green card for 5 years and you stay out of the country for 1 year, is that person eligible for citizenship?
No.
If you collect food stamps and the government pays your rent, does that affect you getting a green card?
Yes.
I have DACA, but on the process of my adjustment of status through spouse, they sent me DACA. They end DACA. All right, so once they end DACA, would it affect the outcome of my case? Can they also take away my New York CPA license? Trump is cruel for doing this to us.
Yes, Trump is cruel. No, they won't take it away. You're already married and are pending adjustment.
I'm a citizen. I want to file for my mom in Guyana. She has a daughter under 16. Can she be included in the petition with the same filing fee?
No, she can't. You file for your mom. She comes up alone, and then the mom can turn around and file for the 16-year-old daughter.
I got my citizenship.
One of them should be calling 1-800-529-5465 or giving us a direct message on Facebook with their telephone number, which is what you can do. You can go to law offices of Spar and Bernstein. You say, hey, send a direct message, a private message on law offices of Spar and Bernstein. You can send a direct message on Facebook. Say, here's my telephone number. Please call me. I have a problem. And we will call you.
Absolutely. So, ladies and gentlemen, do remember to do that. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAWLINK. 1-800-529-5465. With 4 minutes to go, let's finish up the social media questions. Rapid fire.
Marlene.
That's not social media.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize. Marlene.
Marlene.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Bernstein, I'm here.
How are you?
I'm good. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am your client.
Okay.
You got my green card for me and my son.
Great.
But can I apply for a passport for my son? He's 17, but it's not his dad that filed for us. It's my husband, which is his stepfather.
But you're a citizen now?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so then why would you be able to apply for his passport? Because he's not a citizen then.
But my husband is the one that filed for her.
Yeah. But no, you don't get a U.S. passport through a stepdad.
Oh, okay.
All right, sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. We are just about wrapping up the show, but we got some social media questions. Rapid fire. Let's see how good Mr. Bernstein is.
3 quick ones. I have a friend out of status. What can he do now he's in a relationship?
Get married.
Will they end the DACA program?
Yes, in 1 hour.
And will you be in the office on Friday?
Yes, I will. I'm here all week.
More questions?
No, that's it for this morning.
Okay. All right. Once again, folks, this is the Brad and Squeeze Show. You want to squeeze another one on the air?
No, I already
Okay.
told Fiona
All right.
to...
All right. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, got to remind you, of course, we're here each and every single weekday at 9 a.m. and 12 noon. All right. We do apologize for the bad start earlier.
Correct.
All right.
But we
will have
fixed it.
together.
We fixed it.
Okay. We will have it together. Hopefully, we still don't sound like we're underwater, Rosanna.
I
And
don't
if
know.
we do,
Hopefully we
let
don't.
us know so we can adjust all of the kinks.
Yes.
We found out that the microphone the other day was not muted the
Yes.
whole time.
Yes. Yeah, with lots of kinks.
Yeah, lots of kinks.
There
But
are lots and lots of
there's
kinks.
Murphy's Law.
Yes.
And we do embrace it.
Yes.
That's the first thing. Embrace your fears, embrace your issues, embrace your immigration issues, and deal with them.
Well, Murphy's Law is, Rosanna says we sound good, and Murphy's Law is, especially since Donald Trump has been elected, anything that's going to screw you will screw you.
Yep.
So the only thing that you can do right now is protect yourself with good lawyers. You're listening to good lawyers. Give us a call, 1-800-529-5465. Us means Brad Bernstein. Us means Spar and Bernstein.
Yep.
Us means the lawyers at Spar and Bernstein. Yep. All the professionals here. We are over 60 people here.
That's a lot. Don't want to see your payroll.
Correct. I don't either. 1-800-529-5465. We're out of here, and we'll be back tomorrow.
All right. Stay with us. Don't want to see your payroll.
Correct. I don't either.
Your individual situation.
I'm going to start that again. My apologies. This has been one of those days. Murphy's Law.
The proceeding was informational only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar and Bernstein Law Firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And, of course, link up with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.